Final y'abishiki ey'empaka za Jovok Open Basketball Tournament niye bandizeho kandi Ndege Secondary School yasingirwa Mary Hill High School mu final y'umwaka guhwire basingire ekikope cyo murundo rwabo gwa kabiri bwanyuma yo kufitira Exodus College mu zakamaririzo ahabwo babiri na bitana hari 18 nabwanyumeza bojo nazo zikurasireho aho Elite High School eyegarurize ekikope cyo murundo rwa kabiri ye kuratanise bwanyuma ya timu yabe ya Elite A okusinga Elite B ahabwo bi 16 hari 14 kandi no mwaka guhwire timu zombi nazo zashikira mu finals. abatebekanisa basimira amashomero agahitabiro mu mpakezi nuko koreka nguzo Lyon zikurakurana kandi wabireho kamishana w'ebyemizano mu ihanga Danta Mwesijere ahigira amashomero okugumana ibikereza beji okwejombero mu byemizano.
And for us teachers who are in these various schools, don't deny these young men and women the chance to play.
As Jovok, wish you the teams that are going away, wish you the masses. Keep the friendship with us because we treasure that friendship so much.
Twatunga amashomero 30 sign nundi munonga kugira ngo entwereka ngo turion tukurakurana ntukura kurga teams 13 hati twabatwine teams 30 basanyi ko kubanga tuwangu de stopo kubanga twade tuchagala bategekera kubanda demu kama bali rachwati
nabwanyuma abasinguza ba Elite High School na Ndege Secondary School bahirwe biconke birumwe medali hamwe n'ebikopo.
Yeah, our champion. Yes.
Nde Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West agacenchwire.
Thank you members. Yeah man.